Olio shop. You want it? We got it.
Are you fed up with the delays caused in your UK visa application? If yes, then this video is for you. Please subscribe to our channel to know more about UK visa and immigration. Top 6 grounds for delays in UK visa processing time. When you submit a UK visa application, you desire this to be processed rapidly. There are regular time limits in which visa applications are administered, supposing the whole thing is correct and true with the application and the applicant. But there can be times when you possibly will have to tackle interruptions. What are certain explanations behind delays in the processing time for UK visas? UK visa processing is a complicated job, especially in 2018 and possibly carry on in 2019. Owing to this, there can be various motives for delays. The extreme ordinary motive for delay is when there is a trouble with your visa application or it is a very complicated condition. In such circumstances, your visa application will not be processed within the usual, standard time period. The following are just some of the very usual cause why your visa application might be stuck. Incorrect paperwork. Correct paperwork and correlated credentials are necessary for your visa application. All credentials must be complete and well prearranged. If you neglect to supply accurate paperwork, for example if your application have mistakes or blanks, then you are inviting for visa delays, as the Home Office agent will be obliged to ask that you amend these errors before the procedure moves forward. This can be simply get around by scrutinizing through your application. Even something as straightforward as a skipping signature or dim photo can lead to processing holdups. Non-payment of fees. For any administration process, you are obliged to pay a fee, and applying for a visa is no exclusion. For each type of UK visa, you are required to pay a proposed amount. If you don't pay the fee or you pay wrong amount, then it can direct your visa application halting. This can occasionally be all too simple to do. There are a range of diverse expenses related with each category of visa application. As with improper paperwork, going through your application can aid you to dodge this possible delay in advance. Authentication of your credentials and data. When you apply for a type of visa, you present evidence as share of your visa application. Presently, it can occur that the Home Office agent has to interact different authorities in order to authenticate that documents and information supplied by you are genuine. This can be the situation for particular categories of visa applications. To be very specific, that is, entrepreneur visa applications can take additional time, as revenue, reserves and trade tactics must be evaluated. Logically, these procedures may take certain time, initiating an interruption in visa application processing. If you are trying to evade or get around this kind of delay, the top answer is to provide documentation and credentials that can be simply verified by the immigration body. Compulsory other evidence. You might be questioned by the immigration officials to present added information often. That is, if the paperwork you presented are not sufficient for the immigration officials to build a solid judgment on whether to permit you a visa or decline your application. This can, obviously, cause interruptions. Unexpected seasonal issues. Seasonal issues can also act a share in visa application interruptions. That is, if there is a rapid upsurge in number of visa applications from travelers in a specific period, there would be delays in visa application handling time. Delay due to poor immigration history. If you were formally declined a UK visa or negated leave to enter the UK, exiled, removed or were obligated to leave the UK in the past or encountered imprisonment for any criminal felony, then there is a slight likelihood of you being allowed a UK visa this time around. Though, you will certainly face interruption in such a conditions if you are eventually allowed an entry to the UK. What can you do if there is a delay with your UK visa being administered? Well, to start with, contact your nearest solicitor or immigration advisor to inquire any query you may have, as contacting an immigration expert is your finest option to safeguard that upcoming applications go effortlessly. On the other hand, you can link up with the Home Office to confirm why your visa application has been held up. If you submitted your application inside 28 days before your current visa is ending, then your immigration status will stay the same, signifying that you still have the right to work, get into education and much more. Then again, if you submitted your application after your current visa has expired, you'll miss the related privileges.
To find out more about this, log on to our website.
We hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and share this video on your Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. Thanks for watching.